Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Finn. Today I'm going to be making a pumpkin pie. And so first step for pumpkin pie is a crust. I'm doing half the recipe because if you did the full recipe you just double all the ingredients here and then you can make a fruit pie, but pumpkin pie only has the bottom part. So the first step is preheat your oven to 450 degrees and then you're going to add your ingredients are half a tablespoon of sugar, a cup of flour, a third of a cup of vegetable oil, and half of a third of a cup of milk, which is kind of hard to measure. I just eyeballed it. Okay, so I just added all my ingredients together and then I made it into a bowl. If it's too dry, add some of your wet ingredients like the flour and the milk. If it's too wet, add some flour. Mine's pretty good and it won't crack that easily. And so what you'll do is you take a piece of parchment paper, put this on top, and take another piece of parchment paper and then put it on top. And then you're gonna roll it out till it's even thickness and about 9 inches. Okay, so this is what it should look like. I've rolled it out, even consistency and about like the size of your pan. So you're just gonna take off the top layer, and you're gonna flip it into here and crimp the edges. So this is what it should look like. I crimped the edges, you don't have to, looks prettier though. And there was some holes, you just patch them up because it's dough, and now we're gonna make the filling. Okay, so got my pie crust finished. Now we're gonna make the filling. We need 2 cups of pumpkin puree. Click here to see my video on how to make homemade stuff. 2 eggs, 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So we're just gonna add them all to the bowl and whisk until it's combined. So I mix it all together. Mine's a little bit watery, but it's fine. You're gonna pour it into your crust. And if you don't want to make it spill over the side, so if you have a little bit extra, you just stop it. And I mean, if you freeze this, I don't know how bad it would taste. Probably wouldn't taste bad. So I had just enough. Now I'm going to have it in my oven for 15 minutes, like when it's at 450 degrees. Then you're going to take it down to 350. And for like 45 minutes until the knife comes out clean. So I'm going to put it in the oven. This is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.